The original kitchen of this 1950s duplex suffered from failing materials, a non-compliant gas stove, poorly planned storage, and an awkward laundry cupboard between the kitchen and lounge. The owners wanted a transformation that would modernise the home while remaining deeply sympathetic to its mid-century style. By relocating utility zones and shifting the main cabinetry into the former laundry space, the floor plan was opened up. The design strategy then centred on capturing the home's abundant natural light. A new built-in seating booth anchors the dining area, a sun-drenched sanctuary designed for quiet moments in the afternoon glow. Drawing inspiration from the home's original native timber floors, the material palette balances luxury with a sense of craft. Aged brass serves as a primary element. Treated in-house to achieve an understated patina, it clads the tall storage units to reflect light throughout the room. This reflective quality of the brass is balanced by the warmth of walnut and terracotta. A key design feature is a custom Ko-Fi motif inspired by the decorative work of Charles Rennie Mackintosh. This is woven into the home's fabric through stained glass cabinetry, intricate tiling, and hidden brass inlays. The TIDA judges felt that this major renovation has totally changed how the kitchen now functions, while introducing a fresh and surprising aesthetic that feels as though it has always belonged. Congratulations to Raymana Jones of Atelier Jones Design, winner of the 2026 TIDA New Zealand Architectural Designer Kitchen of the Year.
Our awards are proudly brought to you with the support of our sponsors, Resine and Altus Window Systems, and in association with trendsproperty.com. Whether you're renovating, preparing for sale, buying or building, Trends Property, along with your free My Trends Property account, is where you can find your place, your way. And don't miss the Trends Property Insight Series podcast, featuring expert guests from across the property and design industry. Visit today at trendsproperty.com. Our awards are powered by ADJ Systems, bringing you the latest in AI agents, automated workflows, and digital infrastructure. Because remember, AI won't replace your business, but a business using AI might replace yours. To learn more, visit adjsystems.com. These awards are proudly produced by Adjacent Communications. For all your business strategy and communication production needs, visit adjacentcommunications.com. For more information about all our award winners, visit trendsideas.com. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you again next time for the Trends International Design Awards.